Good morning, fellow traders. Paul Wood here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off the market yesterday. So SPX monthly chart here in September starting out pretty strong, right? It's a nice green candle so far. Weekly chart, we got 2 trading days left in the week to see how this candle closes. Daily chart had a good push yesterday. We did leave an open gap below, so watch out. That could be a potential target here in the near future. And let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's behaving here this morning and why we're saying it might be a target, right? So because we pulled back, right? We had a little triple top here overnight, and we're pushing back here. Got a lot of key levels here to work with here intraday, but if we continue to push down, they could try to see that gap. So we can see here what kind of transpired here overnight, right? It was more of a quadruple top overnight here on the ES. It tried to break out a little bit here. It came up with a drop zone for us and another drop zone here. And now we're kind of coming into some major volume levels from yesterday. So if we lose this, right, we've got this rally zone right here. If we lose that, then we could test the VPOC here, the volumetric mid from yesterday, in a big signal zone right there. So we'll see how that goes going into the rest of the day. Let's take a look at the geometric levels here for the MES. Okay, so we've got a again, that kind of triple top area right here. So big levels right there, and then of course we've got this geometric line right here. Which could hold as we're basically kind of right there holding it as potential support right now. So let's see if we triangulate through today. It could give us a big range back to the highs. Otherwise, if we break down, we've got a couple levels that we talked about below. So we'll see how that goes into today. Let's take a look at the Qs here. So again, the Qs, again, the divergences have been pretty wild here this morning, but they are actually down with the market again. This is kind of triangulating here as well. So let's see how that goes going into today, if they can kind of stay together. The big divergence yesterday was the VIX, right? So the VIX yesterday was going up with the market. So that kind of gave us a little bit of sketchiness going into today. IWM could be an extended bull flag right here. So let's see if they try to break out today. If the market gets strong, keep an eye on the airlines. Keep an eye on the banks today. That's a big one to focus on. JP Morgan was strong yesterday and got an upgrade today, which we'll look at in a little bit. Apple down a little bit here this morning. Again, like we said, statistically, after a stock split, it goes up for a couple days and then it goes down for like a week. So let's see how Apple holds today. It could be a big pennant right here. So let's see how that holds. Tesla, of course, has no split statistics. It follows the trend of Apple. We'll see how that goes. Otherwise, we are gapping down here pre-market. But if this does get some strength and starts to get over some of these major levels here today, could do another epic Tesla squeeze. RKT. Again, down on good earnings, so keep an eye on this one. It's holding some prior day lows right here. We may be a candidate for a reversal, so definitely want to keep an eye on as well. Same with CRWD, down on good earnings too, so it's holding some prior day's levels, even yesterday's lows. So let's see if that becomes a reversal candidate going into today. Other ones to keep an eye on too, just Twitter had a strong follow through out of that triple inside day breakout, right? So let's see how that holds going into the rest of the day. And then, like we said earlier, JP Morgan upgrade this morning, kind of hanging out up here. Strengthen the banks. Let's see if that holds. If the banks flush, right, and then some of the other sectors are weak, right, we might see some more of those downside levels on the market. So, all right, guys, I hope everybody has a wonderful trading day today. We'll catch you guys in lunchtime market update. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.